is a good look. Big
Pass be man, pass in a can't see ya. Keep up, pass in the mark, X-Park in a big M badge, uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and thumbnail, y'all already know what's gonna go down in the video. But first and foremost, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So guys, you see what's going down right here. This is the old steering wheel. As y'all could see, got the old airbag right there too. That's an old airbag. So this is the one I just put in, but if y'all don't know how to take off y'all steering wheel, there's gonna be a hole right here. You could put the flat point or flathead screwdriver, whichever you want to call it. It's under the steering wheel, like right in the center. So if y'all don't know how to take off y'all airbag or steering wheel, I'm gonna show y'all. It's directly right into the middle. So y'all, when y'all put the flat point, it's gonna go like right here on this, and you're gonna push it up. So when you push it up, it's gonna release the airbag from right here and right here. Let me show y'all real quick. Yeah, just like that. So but you're gonna have to push it all the way up. As I said, this is the old airbag, and this steering wheel doesn't have a paddle shift, but this one does. So I got paddle shift on this one. This came out of the 535 M Sport package, so it's like a OEM plus. So yeah guys, so now we're gonna connect back everything, but this bolt right here is gonna be a 15. I think it's gonna be a 15. And make sure when y'all disconnecting the airbag, you pull the connector from right here and this one, and the airbag connector is gonna go right here and right here. So it's easy, just like how you guys take it off, that's how you're gonna put it back. So let's connect the wire right here, then I'm gonna connect all these wires. You only got like 3, one right here, one right here, one right here, and I'm gonna pick up by the camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, so what I just noticed, this steering wheel doesn't come with the extra connector for right here, like how it's on this one, the OEM one right there. Got the extra one right there. So this one doesn't come with that. I think it's already wired with this one already. So let's see. So I guess we don't connect anything right there. And also the airbag, everything is intact. So everything is intact with that one. So let's put it back. So I just set everything good right now, so it's on. So basically we're gonna try to test it right now and see if it works. But first I'm gonna have to go and connect back the battery, and then we could test it. So guys, what y'all gonna have to do, y'all gonna connect to the OB2 for the MHD, then you're gonna go beamer code, connect, you're gonna go MHD universal ENet, then try to connect again. Then you're gonna see your car right there. You're gonna see all the cars. So we got the 5 series. Then it's gonna load. So you gotta wait a minute or probably less. Depends on your phone speed. Okay, so when y'all go on this screen right here, y'all gonna have to scroll to all the way at the bottom. You're gonna see steering wheel column control unit right there. So you're gonna press that. It's gonna bring you to that. Then you're gonna press steering wheel with paddles. If you just install the steering wheel with the paddle shift, and you're gonna press activate or active, whatever you want to call it. So you're gonna press active, then you're gonna back out, then you're gonna press start coding right there. But I already coded already, so let's go test it. So right now guys, I'm gonna test it real quick. Put it in manual, put it right there after we just coded. 1, 2, 3. So y'all see that it works. 1. Alright, so look. Okay guys, so that's how y'all code it. So I'm gonna go and do a test drive with it real quick, and then I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, man. So if you guys reach any further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go test it out, man. So yeah guys, so y'all see that everything works. I coded, and so good so far, man. So y'all gonna get some better POV without me have to like moving my hand off the steering wheel and shift. So now I could use the paddle shift, and soon I'm probably gonna get some extenders, some paddle shift extenders. So stay tuned for that, and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.